How you are doing today? I'm sure you're doing great. I got your questions, and the person says, "No, how do I reset my fixtures?" But I'm going to teach you how you can reset your DMX controller. You can do that in two ways. You come to this back, you see the fuse. Sometimes, if the DMX is not coming on, you might probably have to replace the fuse, and this is it. And the other one, you can actually reset. When you tap this twice, it can reset your controller. Now I'm going to teach you how to reset your fixtures, but you have to know that it varies from one fixture to another. The channel at which you reset your fixture is determined by the fixture itself. Right now I'm using Martin 600. So how do I reset it? You start moving the channel one after the other. Obviously this is tilt, this is pan, and hopefully you get it. This is not it. Okay, so if you pick your fixture one after the other and it's not responding, then you have to pick it one by one, or you take two channels at the same time, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and you get these two channels together and you reset your light. You see these channels to reset these martins. You see it's resetting itself. I come to this place, it's restarting from the start.